Hey, Grant from Holland Brothers Fishing here. So I was at Cabela's today, and a gentleman asked me if I knew what the difference between monofilament and fluorocarbon is. And that is a question I wondered when I first started fishing, and I hear a lot with new anglers. So I'm going to make a quick video and answer everything I know when I researched it of a few different things that are different between the two. First thing, fluorocarbon is more expensive than monofilament. Why? It's more expensive to manufacture. Fluorocarbon is made out of a PVDF resin, and monofilament is made out of nylon. It's just more expensive to manufacture. Why is fluorocarbon favored over monofilament? Well, to explain it quickly, the refractive index of fluorocarbon is lower than that of monofilament. What does that mean? Refractive index is just how fast light travels through something. And to give you an example, water is a refractive index of 1.33. Fluorocarbon, on average, has a refractive index of 1.42. Monofilament has a refractive index of 1.55. The higher the number, the more likely they are to see it. So that's one reason. Now with PVDF, it's a denser material than nylon, so it allows the line to sink and also have a smaller diameter and still get the strength. For example, this is 15 pound. This has 0.013 inches for 15 pound fluorocarbon. 12 pound monofilament is 0.015. So the 12 pound is fatter than the 15 pound and more likely to be seen by the fish because it's fatter and has a higher refractive index than fluorocarbon. Now, all that being said, monofilament has its place, fluorocarbon has its place, different applications. For example, I'm throwing this, probably going to use monofilament. Stays on top, it's a wake bait. Monofilament has more stretch than fluorocarbon does, so I'm not going to launch this into the abyss if I backlash and have a bad cast. But if I'm working normally, everything else, for example, swim baits, something like that, fluorocarbon, probably for those something like 15. But Texas rig, all that good stuff, I'm using fluorocarbon. Denser material, gets down to the bottom. I hope that explained why it's more expensive and what the whole deal with fluorocarbon is over monofilament. I appreciate y'all watching, and sorry we have not uploaded something in a hot minute, but we have big plans, so please stay tuned. Peace.